Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable for the application to send your location to receive services in the TomTom Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then scroll down and click on the system button. And here click on the your information button. And within this section, look for the send your location to receive devices services button. And if you want to enable this, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.